How to delete watch history on YouTube. First, open your YouTube app. Then go to your profile in the upper right corner of your screen. Then select Settings. Now proceed to select Manage of History. In this page, you will see your YouTube history. Now you can delete it by clicking this Delete drop-down menu and select a time frame. If you want to delete everything today, a certain custom range, or delete everything, simply click one and you will receive this notification and just click close or cut it once you're done. And that's it. You have successfully deleted your YouTube history. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.